Hi guys, it's Kendall Burns here from the Midnight Oil blog. On today's video, I want to show you how I took this outdated fireplace and turned it into this chic, modern mantle fireplace situation. This is what we had to work with when we moved in, and this is what we have now. I absolutely love it. I am so happy with how this turned out. It's so modern and sleek looking. It's totally my style, so let me show you how I did it. I started by just painting the stone on the fireplace black. I used the paint Black Magic. That is the paint that I've used on all my house projects in this new house. I absolutely love it. It has kind of a matte finish, and my husband thought I was completely crazy when I started painting this stone because I didn't even think about it. I just really dove in and started painting, but he often thinks I'm cuckoo bananas when I start a project. Okay, so now I had to enlist him to help me cut some wood. And my 9-year-old filmed that for us. After cutting the wood, we used wood glue to put the 3 pieces together, and then we used a staple gun, which was interesting.
That's crazy sketchy.
That don't make no sense. We don't know how to use tools. Okay, well, I wanted to show you guys that part because we really are not professionals, and I think we did such a good job considering we don't even know how to use tools. So as you can see, it slides right on top of the drywall mantle, and it seriously upgrades the whole look so much. Another aspect, I used this plastic wood, which is awesome because it's able to be stained. If you know how to properly use a saw and get a mitered edge and measure properly, you probably won't have to do this as much as I did, but our pieces really did not fit together very well. So no problem though, because I used this plastic wood and I just filled in all of the cracks. Basically everywhere that 2 pieces came together, I just filled in with this plastic wood, and I think it turned out looking great. It could have been better, and I could have taken more time to cut and have everything fit together perfectly smooth. But just in case that doesn't happen for you, it's awesome to know about this stuff. I just got it at Lowe's. And once you fill it all in, you can just sand it down, and it makes it perfectly smooth. It's awesome. As you can see here, one of our wood pieces is a lot more narrow, and that is to accommodate for the thickness of the stone on the fireplace so that it would slip over that drywall mantle just right. After sanding is finished, the only thing left to do is to stain the wood. I was super nervous about this because I've really never stained wood, and I went to Lowe's. I was standing just staring at the stain, not knowing which direction to go in, and I looked up and Angela Rose was standing next to me, who is from Vegas. I don't know if you guys follow Angela Rose. She is an awesome DIYer. She was kind enough to lead me in the right direction, and she recommended these 2 stains used together. It's Weathered Oak and Early American, and she was so right. It came out with the perfect medium stain. Gave me that like classic look, but still a little bit bohemian. I just love how the stain turned out. Thank you all so much for watching today. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help in any way that I can. And remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for all the latest of what I have going on. Thanks so much.